araw sa ating lahat. Welcome sa panibagong video ngayon. The Honda TMX 125 newly purchased here at MOTO Trading Incorporated, located at A.C.CORTES Avenue, CAMBARO, MANDAUE City, Cebu. For today's video, gagawa tayo guys ng kanyang specs at ang kanyang price na rin. Anyway, ang channel natin guys is nagbibigay ng basic informations tulad ng specs, features, at ang kanyang price nito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko guys, at kung sa tingin mo ay swak na swak ito sa'yo, welcome sa A.C.CORTES TV. I am ENAN at your service. And don't forget to like and subscribe at pakipindot na rin guys sa kanyang notification bell ito para updated ka sa bagong upload. Like and subscribe is a big help to our Filipino YouTubers like me. Matsalam.
Okay. A few moments later.
One of the owner of the Suzuki Gixxer 150. Big shout out kay
Dandan Flores.
Ma'am.
Hi, I'm Ivy.
Alright. Mad salam sa inyo guys. Alright guys, but anyway,
Let's talk about sa kanyang main component nito. Overall length 1,904 mm. Overall width 745 mm. Overall height 1,026 mm.
wheelbase, meaning between the distance from the center of the front wheels to the center of the rail wheels is
1,226 mm.
minimum ground clearance is
157 mm.
caster angle is 26 degree.
Trill 76 mm. Curve width, meaning bilog na bigat sa motor na ito is 115 kilograms.
Maximum weight capacity is
153 kilograms. Maximum weight on rear carrier is 3.0 kilograms.
passenger capacity is
Rider and one passenger.
minimum turning radius is 2.0 mm. Displacement
124 cc. Bore stroke 56.500 by 49.500 mm. Fuel recommended, unleaded petrol recommended ito, 91 RON or higher. Tank capacity is 8.6 liters. Battery YB7BL-A ito guys, 12 volts, 7 amperes. Tire size front 2.50 by 18, 40L. Tire size rear 2.75 by 18, 48P. Tire type, naka-bias fly tube ito guys. Tire air pressure front 25 PSI. Tire air pressure rear 41 PSI. Spark plug, naka-standard ito guys, NG key. Spark plug up 0.80 by 0.90 mm. Recommended engine oil, Honda 4-stroke motorcycle oil. API service classification SG or higher. Engine oil capacity after draining 0.9 liters. Recommended drive chain lubricant. Drive chain lubricant. Standard sprocket size. Drive sprocket 15T. Drive vent sprocket 44T. Headlight, naka 12 volts ito, 35 by 35 watts. Brake light and tail light is naka 12 volts, 21 by 5 watts. Front turn signal lights at ang kanyang rear turn signal lights is naka 12 volts, 10 watts. Then ang kanyang position lights is naka 12 volts, 5 watts. The Honda TMX 125 Alpha, newly purchased here at MOTO Trading Incorporated, located at A.C.CORTES Avenue, CAMBARO, MANDAUE City, Cebu. And lastly, ang kanyang cash price is 50,400 pesos. Down payment is 4,500 pesos. Monthly installment for 3 years is 2,223 pesos. The Honda TMX 125 Alpha, fully activated. Anyway guys, ang channel natin is nagbibigay ng basic informations tulad ng specs, features, at ang kanyang price nito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko guys, at kung sa tingin mo ay swak na swak ito sa'yo, welcome sa A.C.CORTES TV. I am ENAN at your service. Matsalam!